Still connecting multiple tables manually in Excel? In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly connect multiple tables using Power Pivot and build a fully dynamic pivot table step by step. By the end, you'll be able to analyze complex data like a pro without writing a single formula. Let's get started. Let's begin with a clean, real-world data set. Because great analysis always starts with well-structured data. In this workbook, we're working with 4 separate sheets, each representing a key part of the business. First, we have the sales data. This is our main transaction table. It includes order ID, product ID, customer ID, date, and sales amount. Next, the products table, which contains product ID, product name, and category. Then, the customers table, with customer ID, customer name, and state. And finally, the date table, which includes date, month, and year. Perfect for time-based analysis. Now here's something very important, and this is where many beginners make mistakes. Each table contains a unique ID column. These IDs act as connectors, allowing us to build relationships between tables inside Power Pivot. Before we create those relationships, we need to structure our data properly by converting each dataset into an Excel table. Let's do that step by step. Start with the sales sheet. Select your data by pressing Ctrl+A, then press Ctrl+T. Make sure my table has headers is checked, and click OK. Then rename it to Sales Table. Next, move to the Products sheet. Select your dataset, press Ctrl+T, hit Enter, and rename it Products Table. Now go to the Customers sheet. Again, select the data, press Ctrl+T, confirm, and rename it Customers Table. Finally, head over to the Date sheet. Press Ctrl+A to quickly select everything, then Ctrl+T, click OK, and rename it Date Table. Perfect! Now all 4 datasets are structured as tables, which means they're ready to be connected inside the data model. If you don't see the Power Pivot tab on your Excel ribbon, don't worry. Go to File, then select Options. From there, choose Add-ins. At the bottom, you'll see a drop-down. Make sure it's set to COM Add-ins, then click Go. Now simply check Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel, and click OK. And just like that, the Power Pivot tab appears on your ribbon, ready to unlock advanced data modeling and powerful analysis. Now it's time to bring everything together inside Excel's data model. Start by selecting any table. Go to Power Pivot tab and click Add to Data Model. Repeat this step for all 4 tables. This ensures Excel can recognize and connect them behind the scenes. Next, let's build relationships. Switch to Diagram View. This gives you a visual layout of all your tables. Now we connect the data using their unique IDs. Link Sales, Product ID, to Products, Product ID. Link Sales, Customer ID, to Customers, Customer ID. Link Sales, Date, to Date Table, Date. All you have to do is drag and drop between matching fields. And just like that, your data model is live. All 4 tables are now seamlessly connected, allowing you to analyze your data as one unified system. Now that your data model is ready, it's time to turn it into a powerful, interactive report. Click on Pivot Table, choose New Worksheet, and click OK. Excel now gives you access to all 4 connected tables in one place. Let's build a clean, professional report. Drag product name into the rows area. Drag state into the columns area. Drag sales amount into values. And add year into the filters section. Format the sales value as currency. And just like that, you've created a fully dynamic pivot table, powered by multiple tables. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel tips that saves you hours. See you in the next video.